Hi guys, welcome to my morning routine with my 1-year-old son. So first thing in the morning, I start by making myself some coffee, because if I don't make myself some coffee, I am gonna have a really bad day. Hey, so before doing anything else, I start by having coffee. Then here I was folding this laundry because yesterday I did some washing yana, and then I just took it off the washing line and put it on the couch. So now I just needed some space on the couch. So I just folded the laundry. Then I made my son something to eat, soft porridge. He really loves it, because lately he doesn't even want wheat bix. I do not know why. After making this porridge, I add some sugar for it to taste, but not too much.